Hello everyone, you are watching Math Majlis with Dr. Khalil. In this video, I will take chapter 4, section 4.2, that is factor trinomials. So in this chapter, we will be factoring only trinomials. So there are some 27 questions are there. Let's do the first set of questions, that is 1 to 12. So exercise 4.2, examples 1 to 12. Let's do number 1. P square plus 11p plus 30. So this is the trinomial. And I need to find the factor of this trinomial. So the best method here is make a box, 3 columns and 2 rows. Now write what are the factors of P? What are the factors of P? It is P and P right here. Then go to the last number 30. Find the 2 factors of 30, only 2 factors. Let's say what are they? 10 into 3, 2 factor, 30. It is 15 into 2, 30, again 2 factor. 5 into 6 is another factor. So we have 3 factor. One more, it is 30 into 1. So we have 4 factors. I can find 4 different factors here. 10 into 3, 15 into 2, 6 into 5, 30 into 1. Now out of these 4, 1 will work, the other 3 will not work. How do I know that? What you do, you add the factor, or you add all the factors. You understand? First find all the possible factors, then add those factors. 10 plus 3, 13, 17, 11 and 31. Now look at the addition. 13, 17, 11 and 31. I will select this because your middle term is 11 here. So since the middle term is 11, so I will take this, I will reject this, I will reject this, and I will reject this. So what are the factors I will pick here? 6 and 5. Check here. I pick this factor because when I add those factors, I get 11, which is the middle term of the trinomial. So I write here in the last column. So the factors of 30 I write here. I multiply, cross multiply. 5 into P, 5P. 6 into P, I write 6P. So I completed this table. Now you see P into P, P square. 6P plus 5P. Remember, here you multiply, here you add, here you multiply. So 6P plus 5P, 11P. 5 into 6, 30. So this box is perfect. So now I will write the factor directly. The factors are P plus 6. Next, P plus 5. So these are the factors of the trinomial p square plus 11p plus 30. So this is very important and this is important. Let's do one more example. Number 2. W square plus 10w plus 21. Again, 3 columns, 2 rows. The factors of this, WW. Now I will find the factors of 21. Don't go to the second one. Now I will write 21. What are the possible ways? 7 into 3, 21 into 1. Is there any other? No, only 2 possible. One I will select, one I will reject. How? I will add these. 7 plus 3, how much? 10. I will select this because the middle term is 10. I will reject this because 21 plus 1, which is 22, not there. Therefore, I will select the first one. So what are the factor? 7, 3. No need to worry whether you write 3 here, 7 here, same answer. So I write 7 into 3, multiply 3 into W, 3W, 7 into W, 7W. Now check your table is complete or not. W into W, W square, 7 plus 3, 10, 7 into 3, 21. Therefore, the first factor is W plus 7. The second factor is W plus 3. These are the factors of this. Let's do some examples on 4. Number 4. X square minus 8x plus 12. When it is all plus I have done, let's see how we do minus. Again the same thing, you make a box. X, it is easy, I find it here. Now what I will do now, I will find the factors of 12 now. 12. What are the factors of this? It is 4 into 3 and then 12 into 1. So what is 4 into 3? 12. That is 4 plus 3, which is what? 12. This is 12 plus 1, 13. Both doesn't work because I want the middle term minus 8. So what I will do, I will have to use this and then check whether we can make the find the factors of that 12 in where I will get minus 8. So let's see how I will do it here. 12 I can write down as 12 into 1. Stop. Let's continue. Let's see question number 6. X square minus 8x plus 7. So the box, the factors of x, and x. A, 7. Okay, what are the factors of 7? The only factor is 7 and 1. And when I add these, that is 7, 1 plus 1, it gives me 8. But I have here what? Minus 8. So means I should rewrite this factor looking into, see that I should get minus here and plus here. So what is the another factor? It is this. See, minus 7, minus 1. Because if you multiply minus 7 minus 1, minus into minus plus, it is plus 7. And now, if I take minus 7 plus minus 1, it becomes minus 8. This is what I want. So that means I will not take 7 and 1. I will take minus 7 minus 1. So, minus 7 minus 1. You see that when you fill all the values here, it should give you the same thing. You see, minus 7 into x, minus x, minus 7 into this, minus 7x. Now let's see whether my table is perfect. See, x into x square, minus 7x, minus x, minus 8x, minus 1 into minus 7, plus 7. So it is perfect. So what are the factors now? X minus 7 is one factor. X minus 1 is another factor. So these are the two factors of this. So you can see there are many examples of the same type. So this example, you see question number 8. Question number 8, 6n minus 7 plus n square. So don't worry, you write this in order. It is not in order. So what is the order? I can write n square first, then plus 6n second, and minus 7. Then you can do the remaining. And in the same way, question number 7, it is 5p minus 6 plus p square. So I write first p square plus 5p minus 6. So write it in order, then continue. Then question number 9. You see, 8 minus 6x plus x square. First x square minus 6x plus 8. Going to 11. Minus 11 minus 10x plus x square. That means x square minus 10x minus 11. So this way you write the trinomial in order and then continue. I mean, coming to the next set of questions, that is 13 to 18. Let's do question number 13. X square minus 2xy minus 80y square. Again the same factor, each trinomial of the form. I mean, it is in a different form, but still it is a trinomial. The method is the same. I write here, what are the factors of x square? X, x. So here we have two terms. So factor of y I can write down, y square as yy. So I will take that 80 outside. You see, I take 80. Find the factors of 80. So what are the factors of 80? It is 80 into 1, then 40 into 2, then we have 8 into 10. Of course, these are the three factors. I can, so 80 into 1, 8 into 10, 40 into 2. So I will reject this because 80 plus 1, it is 81. I will reject 2. Second, because 40 plus 2, 42. Then I will also reject this because 8 plus 10 is 18. What I will do, I will change the sign of this. So what I will do now, 80, I will write 8 into minus 10. Why I take this? The reason is here, 8 plus minus 10. How much? That is 8 into minus 10. That is minus 2, which is the middle term. Then 8 into minus 10. It is minus 80. So that means I will just say this minus, I will play with it. So minus 80, I can write 8 into minus 10, this. So what is the factors here? 8 and minus 10. So 8 and minus 10, I write it here. Then cross multiply, minus 10y into this, minus 10xy. 8y into x, it is 8xy. So x into x square, 8 minus 10 minus 2 minus 10 into 8, 80, y into y. So this is perfect. So what are the factors here? X plus 8y. Next, x minus 10y are the factors of this. So here the middle term is minus, so I am just taking minus and then accordingly I am doing here. So this is how we do it. So if it is plus like this, if it is minus, you will have to take like this. So once you fill all the values, see that this table is perfect with the equation. Once it is done, you can write down the factors. Of course, there are many examples are there here. Let me do one more example. Number 16. R square plus 3rs minus 28 s square. Let us make the table. R into R, s square, s into s. Now I have to take the last term minus 28. I will take along with the sign. So let's see what is minus 28. It is 7 into minus 4 or minus 7 into 4. Am I right? 7 into minus 4 is minus 28. Minus 7 into 4 is also minus 28. But this gives me 7 plus minus 4 equal to plus 3. This gives me minus 7 plus 4 equal to minus 3. But I have here middle term how much? Plus 3. So I will select this, not this. So what are the factors of this? 7 minus 4. Clear? Then I cross multiply. Minus 4 rs. 7 rs. Let's see, my table is perfect. R into R square, 7 rs minus 3 plus, because bigger number sign it takes. Minus 4 into 7, minus 28 s. So this is perfect. So what are the factors now? R plus 7s. Right? And this is R minus 4s. So this is what are the factors of this one. So you can do the remaining question, that is 13 to 18 are all same. Now coming to the last set of questions, that is 19 to 27. 19 to 27. So here the method you are going to use is using AC method. I will tell you what is this. Where is this AC coming from? Please remember here we write a quadratic equation like this. This is the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx, so not equation, a trinomial, ax square plus bx plus c. So what I will be doing here is that you see that in the questions 1 to 18, the first term has the coefficient 1, but here we have this coefficient is not 1, it is other than 1. So when you have this, we can make this quotient as 1, then I can use the same formula. So what I will do now, the first quotient of x square and the last term I will multiply. When I multiply, what you get? AC. So that is why you are asked to use the AC method here. So let's see an example of this. 19. 3x square plus 5x plus 2. Right? So we are now, you see that the quotient of x square is 3, which is not 1. So therefore, I will write this AC method. So this is A and this is C. So I multiply this. So x square plus 5x plus 2 into 3, that is 6. So we have this, that is AC. That is, I multiply this and this is multiplied. Then I will write what you call the box. X, I write x. This I will write 3 into 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So I can use this. So multiply 2x, multiply 3x. So everything is fitting here. So what are the factors of this? It is x plus 3. Then we have x plus 2. So just multiply this. And now since I have taken AC method here and that number I have taken 6. So it is x square. Then you have 5x and 3x square. So stop. Hello everyone. I will continue with section 4.2. Section 4.2, examples 19 to 27. So here we discuss different method. So this method is called, you see that I can, if your trinomial is like this, you see in the earlier example, that is section 4.2, from example from 1 to 18, this term, that is the number with x square, was always 1. Now here, this a is not 1. That is in example 19 to 27, we have a trinomial like this, where this a is other than 1. If that is the case, how we find the factors? And here, the method we are using here is called AC method. What is this AC method? That means this A and this C we multiply. That's why it is called AC method. Let's take an example number 19. Let's see how we are doing here. 19. 3x square plus 5x plus 2. A trinomial. I'll be look at it. The number with x square is 3, which is not 1. So therefore, I will do this by the method AC method. Means I am factoring this trinomial by the method AC method, what we call. So what is A here? 3 and C is 2. That means AC means it is 3 into 2, it is 6. Okay? Then, now this 6 I have to, the number this whatever I get, that is multiplying A and C, that number I have to find the factors of this. What are the factors of this? 6 and 1 and 2 into 3. But you see 6 plus 1, 7 and 2 plus 3, it is 5. will select this because your middle term is 5. Clear? So what I will do now, I am not going to make a table here. I just write 3x square plus 5x plus 2, the original equation. That I will use the middle term, I will split into this. That is 3x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 2. So this 2, 3, I will write 3, 2, no problem. Whether you write this way or that way. So I will split this 5x as 3x plus 2x. Then check common in this. The common is 3x. What is left? It is x plus 1. What is common in these two? It is 2. What is left? X and plus 1. You see, you have a common, same. I can take that common, that is x plus 1, right? And then you have left with 3x plus 2. So these are the factors. That is the rule. First question is a is not 1. So multiply a and c to get that number. This number, don't factor this 2. You factor 6. So I factor. This I will take because the middle term is 5. So this middle term I will split 3, 2 plus 3. 3, 3 plus 2. Then I split it. I take common. I get the factor. So here this method is known as A into C method. Let's do another example. Three u square plus 8u plus 5. Here A is 3, C is 5, so 15. Let's find out the factors of 5. So 5 into 3, 50. And then 5 plus 3 is 8. That's what I want. So I will select this. So how I will write now? You see, 3u square plus 8x plus 5. So this middle term I will split like this. It is 3u square plus 3 plus 5u. It is u. Am I right? Yes, this is u. This is u. So 5u. Plus 5u plus 5. Take common here. It is 3u. You get u plus 1. Take common. It is first 5 u plus 1. You have a same u plus 1, u plus 1. I can take that u plus 1 out. Then you have 3u plus 1. So these are the factors of this. This is what the method of EC. So with this I complete section 4.2 examples 1 to 27. Thank you very much. अब ये कहकर छोड़ता हूँ